Welcome to Ashton's Crunchy Kitchen. Today we're going to be eating hobos. That's right. But not the people kind. The hamburger and tinfoil kind. Let's get started. Y'all, I got a new cutting board. And this one is actually made to be cut on. And it's wood. I'm bringing back a trick from one of my very first videos. I'm pretty sure it's on the porcupine video. I'll link it up here. But anyways, I'm putting a bag right here on this knob so that I can put my trash in there. So now cut up 2 onions. I'm using Nature's Promise organic onions. Whew, gosh guys, look at my eyes. Whew. They are watering. Whoa, man. Normally they don't water because I'm wearing my contacts, but when I'm wearing my glasses, man. Next, cut up some potatoes. I'm using Nature's Promise organic yellow potatoes. One thing about potatoes, you'll see that these are starting to grow these little sprouts. It's fine. The potato is still good to eat. Just pick them off. If y'all remember, this past Friday, the last video I posted, I mentioned that the stuff that I already had in my pantry in my fridge could make these hobos. So I'm showing y'all that it did make the hobos. Okay, I did all but 3 potatoes. So I'm gonna put these aside, and if we need them later, I'll get them back out. Now I'm gonna mix together my deer meat to make the hamburger patties, or the deer patties, whatever you can call it. I'm using 2 pounds because I'm making some for later on in the week as well. Now I'm just gonna put a little bit of Elio's Italian breadcrumbs in here and a splash of A2 milk. Mix this together. So now we're gonna make like a gravy sort of to put over the vegetables and the hamburger meat. So you're gonna want 2 cans of cream of mushroom soup. Fill up 1 can with milk. Add in some French onion dip mix. I'm using Nature's Promise organic French onion dip mix. Mix it. Now you want to get a couple of squares of tin foil and lay them out on a baking sheet. And then you'll start your assembly process. So you want to create like a bowl sort of with the tin foil. Okay, so I like to put a little bit of oil down on the bottom first. Next, you want to put down potatoes. Now you want to patty out your deer burgers. Once you have it pattied out, you want to season it. I'm using hardcore carnivore black beef seasoning. Add in some French cut green beans. I'm using Nature's Promise organic French cut green beans. Add in some onions and carrots. Season your vegetables with hardcore carnivore black beef seasoning. You can also add a little bit more potatoes to the top. Now you're gonna pour some of this on top. Then you're gonna close the tin foil. And that is 1 hobo. And just repeat the process until it's done. One thing to note, you guys, you don't have to have the breadcrumbs in here, but it just helps the meat to stick together. Once you have these all assembled, put them in the oven at 400 degrees for 45 minutes. So I made 6 hobos. I did make them pretty big, so you could probably make them smaller and make a little bit more. However, I want to tell you guys about why I like to make hobos. When I was young, and I first moved to Dothan, Alabama, I had a friend named Summer. She's been in my videos in the past, and I used to go over and her sister and mom would babysit me. And they would make hobos, and they were just so good. So growing up, I always liked them, and I thought that I would make them for my own family as well because they're just really, really good. Anyways, I'll see you guys back in 45 minutes. All right, guys. These hobos are done. Let's take them out of the oven and try them. Okay, Andrew, are you ready to try it?
I am. That's hot. Give it more time.
You just swatted that everywhere.
I'm so sorry. Ooh, give it more time. I can't taste it. I can't. It's good. It's just really hot. So I might have should have waited a little bit. It's good though. It is good.
That's really good. Oh God.
Yeah, it's good.
That hardcore black beef seasoning is so good on this. What would you rate it?
8.6.
Anyways, that's a thumbs up from me.
Thumbs
If
up.
you like the content that you saw today, make sure to give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe to my channel and let me know what you want to see more of. Until next time.